What is going on, YouTube investors? This is your guy, The Stock Show. Welcome to today's episode. But before we get started, I would like you guys to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, drop a comment below, and click that notification bell if you want to see more videos in the future. In today's video, we're going to talk about Healthier Choices Management Corp, ticker symbol HCMC. Now, this stock has been grabbing a lot of attention, so I had to make a video about it. Let's get into it.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the company overview. Healthier Choices Management Corp is a US-based publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. HCMC also owns a patent issued in both the United States and Canada for having a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and hopes to expand this suite in the future. HCMC put up a lawsuit against Philip Morris for their vaping device patent infringement. And from what I'm seeing here, HCMC stock climbed as high as a fourth of a penny on that trading day, and the volume was greater than 1.3 billion shares compared to an average of 560 million shares traded on a average basis. And this is looking like it's something's cooking here, and it looks like it's very interesting. So remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, but as you can see here, this is the shareholders of the owners of the company. Jeffrey Holman, he owns 11 billion shares, which is crazy, a crazy amount of shares. Even though it is a penny stock, I understand that, but that is a crazy amount to just own. And basically, Christopher Santi, 8 billion shares at a current value of 28 million. He owns 4.11% of the company. And yeah, this is looking like it's very good news, and something here is really going to take off. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you here what to do. Just keep your eye on this. So over here, we're looking at another page where there's more insider shares, where there's 24 billion shares in total, and the shares outstanding is 194 billion shares, which is a crazy amount. And this is just crazy. 12.71% insider ownership, 13 total insiders. Yeah, things could just be cooking. So as you can see here, in January, before the news of the lawsuit came out, it had a spike up, and my brother's the one that put me on this stock, and I just didn't really understand the fundamentals and everything about this stock because it was so low and so cheap. And he was telling me the articles of the lawsuit of Philip Morris, and they have a patent. So I was like, you know what, keep an eye on it, but I'm not really so sure about it. But let's see, anything could happen. So he kept an eye on it. He's like, oh yeah, it dumped over here. He was telling me, yeah, the stock dumped, but you never know, it could be a good buy. It's under less than a tenth of a penny. So I was like, no, I'm not really interested, but you know what, just keep an eye on it. So I guess a couple days later, you can see here, after it picked up and dumped, that same day, pump and dump you guys would call it, it picked up actually the next day and held for a good day and went up to over the tenth of a penny and broke the tenth of a penny. So here's where I was starting to see interest in the stock, because here my brother was telling me there was an article coming out that the CEOs wanted to buy the shares back at 150% premium. So I was, you know what, I was like, you know what, that sounds interesting. Something here is, something, you never know what could happen. So if they're gonna buy their shares back at 150% premium, then you know what, it sounds pretty good. So I waited for the dip, because I knew it was gonna dip. I think we caught it at 0.16. we have around like 1.8 million shares together, and now we're riding it back up. We did see this spike go up to 0.5, 0.6. I think it did reach 0.6, and then it did go down. It did crash a little bit. Whatever, we're holding it here. It looks like we thought it was going to hold a little pretty good resistance, but it held there for like a day or two, had a little spike back up, and then now we're seeing a lot of people sell. We're seeing a lot of people taking their profits, and then there's a sell-off going off right now. But for the past week, there has been um, on the 5-day chart, it's just been like it's been going down, but it's consolidating. It's letting it cool off before the next hopefully launch. Hopefully we go pick back up. Um, but if we win the lawsuit, yeah, we could see this breaking the penny mark, and that's what we're all hoping for. All the shareholders out there, this is what we're hoping for. And we're hoping for hopefully even $1, but I mean, anything's possible. We don't know about that, but let's just break the penny mark for now. And yeah, this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys like the video, please hit the subscribe button, smash the like, drop a comment below, and click on the notification bell if you want to see more videos. Thank you and have a good day.